AMC Open Day 2026. It's a huge success, attracting many parents, students, industrialists, along with our own students. The overall entire technical program is like a package kind of thing. Started with morning technical motivation talk by Mr. Sagar, is an international educator, motivational speaker. And it was really worth. All people appreciated, including parents and then students. Second part of the story is the panel discussion. We invited people. Anumesh, Vice President Infosys, visited, and then Director of Philips, Toyota, key person, and then IAC professor visited. The panel discussion was so interesting. It was mesmerizing. All our students, parents, invitees, everybody appreciated.
We have invited parents and the admission seekers to our campus to experience firsthand. They will get to know about the facilities offered here, how actually students have been involved in bringing up their career, how they are building the projects, and how their career is getting shaped.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ರಶ್ಮಿ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ. ನಾನು AMC ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ HOD ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇ 30ರಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಡೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರು ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು 50ರಿಂದ 60 ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬೋರೇಟರೀಸ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು MSME ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೂಡ IITಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಸಲ 33 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಆಗಿವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಓಪನ್ ಡೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे छात्रों ने अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स का बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया. बाहर से आए हुए विजिटर्स ने उस प्रदर्शन को बहुत अच्छे से देखा. MSME प्रोजेक्ट्स का प्रदर्शन किया गया.
Top level, the organizers visited the campus and they displayed their projects on the campus. The panel discussion explained about the skill development, the requirement by the students, by the companies in future, and placement activities required for the campus were well discussed and analyzed by the company people and also the alumni of the college.
Up to around 100 projects were there and about 3,500 students have registered for this event.
इस कार्यक्रम में बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्रीज ने भी भाग लिया, जिसमें कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज ने अपने चलते फिरते रोबोट को प्रदर्शन किया.
It is good to see a pool of students, aspiring students who want to choose engineering or students who are already studying engineering in our campus and other colleges to come into the campus to experience and to learn so many different things technically or non-technical. It was so good to see enthu of a student to get the technical knowledge. As we see, the students who completed PUC, they don't have much technical idea. So this open day helped them to learn what they can expect from the engineering, from this different branches, and to learn what are the different projects or different technically components. To learn that, it was very good experience. We had a technical talk by Mr. Sagar. It was very good. After that, there was different project exhibition going on in a different department, and aspiring students and engineering students, alumni actively participated. And as a registration team, I can say that more alumni were there in the open day event. So overall, from morning to evening, so it started morning 9 o'clock, it ended at evening 6 o'clock. Overall, there was no dull moment in the campus. Campus was glowing that day with different background students.
Afternoon we had a cultural performances by our the students itself. Then finally it was a greater end, it was a hollow cake concert, music concert. See, this particular open day has given a greater opportunity for the aspiring engineers, so where they can come and they can explore how the institute, what are the facilities we are giving here, how the placements are going on. and what are the industry-oriented sessions we are giving, how the infrastructure we have arranged for the students, everything they can see and explore. And it's a greater opportunity for the existing students also to showcase their talent and innovative ideas through the project exhibition. We had a great project exhibition on AI, cybersecurity, and water purifications, and baby care, and gas leakage identification. Like that, we have almost 100+ project exhibitions.
Hi, I'm Nikhil Malwad. I'm from AIML department. Yeah, it was a wonderful day and we really enjoyed that. I'm a member of fashion team, so we performed a fashion show on that day. The theme was Samudra Manthana and it was beautifully performed by our fashion team.
Honestly, my favorite part of the open day has to be the panel discussion. We had eminent industry experts from Bosch. We had the Infosys Vice President with us. We had somebody who's a senior faculty at the Indian Institute of Science. And listening to them talk about engineering education, the past, present, and future, and also them talking about AI and its implications, truly opened my mind. I got to learn so many new things. The projects, the stalls, everything, it was truly an exhilarating experience.
Hi, I'm Afroz from CSC branch of from AMC College, and I have got opportunity to display 2 projects in the open day, and one was the game and other one was the theory. And the game which I produced, it was like recursive concept, and other one which was I was doing, it was a theory part, is called the limit approach tunnel, and it was very helpful and very interactive with the people, which everyone came and visited, and I have gained many knowledge and many skills from this project.
कॉलेज में एंटर किया तो मैंने देखा कि बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स लगे हुए थे और स्टॉल्स में अलग अलग तरह के प्रेजेंटेशंस थे जो देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। और बाद में फिर मैं जब अंदर कैंपस के अंदर गया तो मैंने देखा कि वहाँ पर बहुत सारे हमारे जो इंजीनियरिंग बैच के स्टूडेंट्स थे उन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए थे और वहाँ पर उनके पेरेंट्स भी आए थे और वो पेरेंट्स भी देख के बहुत खुश हुए कि हमारा बच्चा इतना आगे अच्छा कर रहा है। और मैंने भी जो प्रोजेक्ट्स देखा तो एज ए MBA स्टूडेंट्स मुझे खुद लगा कि ये सब मुझे भी करना चाहिए, मुझे भी कुछ इनोवेटिव बनाना चाहिए। और उसके बाद फिर जब सब इवेंट ख़त्म हो गया उसके बाद लास्ट में ऑल ओके का कॉन्सर्ट हुआ, वो कॉन्सर्ट में भी सब ने मज़ा किया। और ये जो ओवरऑल जितना भी फेस्ट था ये बिल्कुल भी हैसल फ्री था और मैनेजमेंट बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा था।
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను బిందు శ్రీఆర్, ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ MBA స్టూడెంట్ అట్ AMC. ఈరోజు మా కాలేజ్లో ఓపెన్ డే జరిగింది. మాకు చాలా హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కూడా దొరికింది ఈరోజు. నాకు అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే అకాడమిక్స్ మాత్రమే కాదు, మా కాలేజ్లో ఓవరాల్ పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ కూడా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. ఈరోజు మాకు లీడర్షిప్, కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్, టీమ్ వర్క్ ఇవన్నీ మాకు నేర్చుకునే దానికి అవకాశం ఇచ్చారు. And at last we also had about cultural events that happened today, and all OK team exhibited a well-versed concept, and we really liked it.
The energy of All OK, it was so good. I have attended multiple concerts, but the concert I have attended here at AMC with my friends, it was so good. The culture at AMC is so great. They have you included in everything, even though I don't know Kannada so well, but my friend still helped me out, and it was so fun.
We had an opportunity to see other projects from other department. Got to know a lot about that thing, and it was very informative. I made very good friends here. Studies are going very good. The teachers are good. They're very supportive. If you have any doubt, they're coming and are clearing. And if anything else is there, they're very helpful in that part also.
I'm Raghavendra, a student of hotel management at the AMC College. We on the open day event had 3 stalls. One was exclusive for our floral designs and vegetable carvings, and we had 2 different stalls for our food. The positive word of mouth spread like wildfire, and all our items were sold out within no time. Along with the students, the visitors, our dignitaries, our alumni, and also the people who had come from different companies, they also enjoyed it, and they told the students here definitely have a bright future. There's a lot of employment opportunities, not just in India, but also in the global level. We get placements from Mauritius, Australia, Japan, Russia, and even from the United States of America. So once the students come here, they need not worry about being unemployed. They need not worry about placements. We have a very good training and placement. We have a very good placement and training team.
Our experience was so good. We did a project, so we got a positive feedbacks from visitors, faculty members, and industrial experts too.
The morning session we had a World Environment Day, so our college took a step forward and planted some saplings. The Alok concert, it was banger.
Hey, this is Professor Sonam. I teach math at AMC Engineering College. It was a wonderful opportunity for us at our college to organize the open day. There were students who used their mathematical concepts, engineering concepts, and science concepts to create models and present it to visitors. So overall, it was not just the number of projects that was presented, but the quantity and the quality of the conversation that were there around each of the projects.
The day ended so well, and overall it was a wonderful experience.